welcome back to Easy Nails. Today I'm going to do a really fun stiletto acrylic nail set. I'm going to encapsulate some Mylar flakes and glitter, and we are going to show you guys how I do French nails. So I showed you guys all the products that I am using today. I am using my s&mnailcandi monomer. Make sure you use my code SMEasyNails10 for 10% off. And I am using my CADS brush number 16. Here I'm going in with my Young Nails Speed clear acrylic. I'm just applying a clear base all over the nail here so that I will have something to file back to when I am doing my infill. And of course, I prepped my nails. I scratched up the surface lightly, very lightly with the 180 file, pushed back my cuticles, cleaned the nail with a swipe and dehydrated it, and then I used the NSI Bond before I applied my acrylic. So here I'm going in with this Easy Flow color here, and I believe the color is Oh Yes, and this is a dip powder, but it works great as an acrylic too. And you guys can see how I'm starting to build my French nail. I start with the first bead, and on that bead I just focus on tucking in the sides, and then after I finish that bead I go on down and perfect my cuticle area. But first of all, I like to do the smile line bead first, and it's okay if it's not perfect. When it dries, you can go in with your hand file. I do that off camera, but you can go in with your hand file and you can sharpen up that smile line just how you like it. The only thing is, just make sure you build it a little bit thicker so it is easier to file the sides of. So I am doing the same thing here to the pointer finger, and we are going to be encapsulating Mylar. I use the HCS is the name of the store. I found it on Instagram from Sapphire Deluxe, and I will make sure to link that for you guys below. But they have really, really pretty glitters, and I'm going to be showing you guys how I encapsulate those Mylars for the French. And then I'm also using Zoeve acrylic today, and this is a blue color, and I picked up a bead and then I'm just patting it down the nail. You guys know with Zoeve you need to pat it, not to pull it, the acrylic. So I'm just patting this acrylic into place, and I'm constantly wiping my brush. That is my tip for using these acrylics. Just pat them and constantly wipe your brush on your napkin, and they work really, really nicely. So now I'm going in with this glitter from HCS, and this is called Carnival. It has like magenta hexes in there, silver holographic stars, turquoise hexes. It's really, really pretty glitter. I absolutely love it. So, so gorgeous. So I am just putting this into the wet acrylic on the side. And then here I am using Royalty Nail Supplies acrylic. I absolutely love their acrylic. This is number S1. It is like a hot pink acrylic. Now it did marble a little bit, but if you just work it with your brush, you will find that that marble goes away. It's really, really easy to use. You can see I'm just brushing and patting it down the nail. I got a 1 bead application. Really, really easy to use. So I am again going in with my brush into that glitter straight and just patting it into the wet acrylic, and that works really, really easy. If your acrylic has already dried, you can use just a small bead of clear, place it on the nail, and then go in with your brush to pick up the glitter and stick it on that way as well. So For the French nails. So with these nails, I just wanted a little bit of pink around the smile line, and then I wanted to fade it into a just Mylar. So I believe this color is called Candy Floss. I did it at the beginning of the video, so you guys can check there for all the products that I used. I have them at the beginning of the video. It is a beautiful pink Mylar flake. It's super, super small, so it works perfectly with acrylic. And it shines like orange and yellow. Really, really pretty. So again, I did go into the wet pink. So I used the Royalty Nail Supplies pink. And then I went into that with the Candy Floss Mylar. And then I put some clear, and then I just did the Candy Floss Mylar by itself. So you guys are going to see at the end, it kind of gives like the Mylar, the French Mylar, a gradient effect, which I super, super loved. It came out so cute. So it's really, really fun to do it that way. So now I'm using Young Nails Speed Clear, and I am just encapsulating all of my nails here, you guys. Super, super important when you're doing glitter and colored acrylic. Encapsulate your nails, because when you come to file, you will just file off all of that beautiful work that you just did. I like to encapsulate my nails thicker just in case. And I went ahead and I filed my nails, buffed them, and I'm so sorry I did not get the top coat on camera, but I did add some crystals, and that is it, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed these stiletto French Mylar glitter nails as much as I did. Make sure you subscribe, like this video, and comment down below, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.